Hello everybody, minasan konnichiwa. I'm now at Bugis. I would like to explore this heritage area at Waterloo Street. It's a heritage rich area. Look at this, man. Visa Day is coming, so they're having some decorations and offerings for devotees. So we'll explore this area. Join me for this tour. Let's go. There's a Buddhist shop here selling some Buddha artifacts, and there's a hotel also in front. It's called the Southeast Asia 东南亚大酒店. One night is $120 for a double room. And then there's some HDB here opposite the Southeast Asia Hotel, and below there are some shops. And there's a Taoist shop also. HDB only operate from, there's only HDB from level 2 to 5. Very interesting. And we reached the famous Guan Yin Temple. Many devotees also come here to pray after their work. It's very like ling, I have to say. Fulfill your wish, but provided the wish is a good one. So this is an old photo of the Guan Yin Temple in 1962, man. And it started in 1884. This is 1971. And look at it now, it's still very well maintained. Look at this, very colorful. This is the Arts House. And this is a map. Wow, Full Show Complex, Albert Complex, Bencoolen Shopping Mall, Southeast Asia Hotel. And there's a temple, Indian temple called Sri Krishnan right here. They're having some chanting session. But other religion can come here pray, no problem. Look at the statues, man. But you must remove your shoes before you go in. So this is one of the buildings along Waterloo Street. It's called the... Guess what? I'll tell you the name later. Anyway, there's a zodiac forecast, but I don't really believe in this kind of stuff. It's a bit superstitious because what they say is that generous kind of stuff is not like specific. They don't ask for your birthday, time of birth and so on. Don't ask for your name, right? So anyone under that category, they all say the same thing. This is Waterloo Street, man. There's another beautiful building, Waterloo. There's a colorful building in front. And by the way, the mall just now I said it's called Fortune Center. Very old mall. There's a center for photography and films right here. There are two buildings, the yellow one, the red one. It's free entry, but they are closed on Monday. Look at the sign formation here. It used to be a church, called Middle Road. The church was incorporated here in 1894 and then moved to Kampong Kapor in 1930. Wow, look at the colorful building. This one is Singapore Council of Women's Organization. And there's also a Waterloo Center on the left side. I see a hotel here, in front. I think it's, Hotel Waterloo. 78. That's the address. Wow, there's venue max also at the ground floor of Waterloo Center. It started to rain a bit. I hope it stops soon because you see the ground will be drenched. Hotel Waterloo has one special point. Look at the seats, man.